guest speaker, Pastor Priscilla P. Santiago, sir, and the visitor, Mr. Salazar, the school president, Mr. Daniel, sir, the school director, Mrs. Chloe Marias, ma'am, faculty and staff, teachers, parents of the graduating class, to my better half, myself, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. In behalf of all the lucky parents of the graduating class of this institution, may I take this opportunity to express our gratitude to the school administrators for the untiring effort imparted to our children in molding them into a better person. I can say they are better now because what they learned in school even applied outside the campus. We, as parents, are lucky enough to see this improvement to our children. And to all the graduating class, especially to Kenneth, my son, I wish you a fruitful endeavor as you step another milestone in your career. Carry on your dreams, and may these dreams will guide you to finish your academic endeavor. Graduation is not the end of learning, but it is just a step towards more challenging in life, the journey towards success. I therefore challenge you, graduating class, to be more active in your next educational venture. As parents, we are always here to support you. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.
Thank you, Mr. Florente Alcaraz, for your warm